We're gonna go inside. We are literally about to do our kind of final clean. Me and Paul are gonna do a clean before the actual cleaners come in. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Man, it is a nice, cool morning today, and it's a great day because we are almost done with the duplex. Come with me right here, man. We're gonna go inside. We are literally about to do our kind of final clean. Me and Paul are gonna do a clean before the actual cleaners come in. Just kind of get all these boards up, everything that we have laying around, any of the paper, anything like that. Man, this thing is looking freaking beautiful. We're gonna get some of the appliances in place, but check this out, man. This thing is phenomenal. We got the cabinets, we got the appliances, we've got the plumbing, all the electrical is done. It looks beautiful in here, but it is a nice little mess, but that is okay because it is a construction site. As you can see, there's marks on the wall and stuff like that. The painters will come in to do a touch up. We're gonna install these blinds and everything for the windows. We gotta do some measuring, but first we're gonna start with the cleanup. I'm very excited, man. We are literally at the last point of the entire process before we do a final walkthrough. We're gonna try to get the drone out here if we can get license clearing from the airport because it is very close here. We're gonna get this thing rolling, man. I'm not gonna do that much talking. We're gonna get straight to work, get this thing filmed, and then beyond that, we're gonna be done with this duplex and we're gonna be able to sell it. So let us get to work.
All right, y'all, so I went around the house, made sure all the drywall was good, scraped away some of the imperfections, and we got this quick drying mud here, filling some of these little holes, like we got this little edge here that we need to fill in for the painters. It'll dry out in about 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna sand it out. And then we got this big hole here that I had to scrape away, load it up with some mud. Let's get some more up in there. While I'm doing this, Nico's doing the blinds. He's gonna hopefully get all the blinds in installed today so that we can have a nice sun cover. I got a few more spots I gotta do. And then I'm gonna fill in all the holes that I found. These blinds are looking beautiful, blocking out the sun, giving you light control whenever you need it. So we're gonna finish that up. We're gonna finish this up, and then we'll see you when we see you.
Alrighty, y'all, so we are done with the inside for now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump outside. We're out here, we're gonna put up a nice little privacy fence. We bought about 16 feet of it. It is vinyl. It looks honestly really darn good. It's just white, basically, like that PVC look, and it looks pretty phenomenal. They said it was pretty darn easy to install. You just gotta slide the little rails at the bottom, at the top, and then put in the panels in between, which we have 2 of those right there, because those do equal 8 feet each. Will come off probably a foot from the house. We made sure to remember where we have everything, check the video footage of the electrical lines that are running through over here so that we do not hit them. We're gonna auger down right here, which we ran off and got from Home Depot, do another one over there, probably have to hand dig a little bit over there so that we don't hit the lines, and then do another one, another 8 feet down, and then we'll have a nice little piece of privacy through here, and these folks can have their cookout, those folks can have their cookout, and I can get done putting this fence up. So you're gonna enjoy watching us put this fence up, and then we're gonna keep getting more progress, so let us get to work. Okay. We got electrical lines and everything. We know exactly where they're at. We did our research, 811, all that good stuff. We are 811 because we put them lines in. So we're making sure we're not gonna hit them. As soon as we get past this area right here, we can do one more hole and we are good with the entire fence. We ain't gotta worry about all this electrical. We ain't gotta worry about getting zapped, dying, which they turned all the power off anyway. So we are honestly in a perfect situation. They're working on the transformer up the road. We are good to go. Let us get this done. We're gonna get some progress, baby. This thing's moving like it should, man, especially when you got great neighbors. All right, y'all, so we got this fence up right now, man. We got the fast setting concrete mix right here. We got myself, we got Paul, we got Chris. I'm telling you, man, teamwork makes the dream work. Check this out. Paul's never, Chris, you ever done a fence before? We've never done a fence. We got it all leveled out, man. This thing is beautiful. Filling this up with water right here. As we add the water, the concrete will actually set up. It's not like the regular Quikrete that you see in the yellow bags. This is the quick setting, literally fast concrete right here, man. So as this is happening, we already got everything leveled out. What we're gonna do is wipe her down. I got some nice rags. My brother stopped by, dropped me off some rags. He was like, yo, you want some rags? I don't need them. I was like, give me the rags. So what we're gonna do is clean this up. Paul, come over here. Stand this way, man. Like, this is a proud moment. After building an entire house, I think this was the coolest part of building this whole house. We just built a fence, a whole fence, 2 of them, not just one. We built a whole fence. Chris did a great job. He got a fresh haircut. I'm doing a great job. Paul's doing a great job. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, hold on. Because I know the comments are gonna come. Make sure we put the level on it. We know the comments are coming. Check this out, man. Smack dab down the middle. Okay, let's move it. One more. Just so y'all know we ain't playing. Smack dab down, almost down the middle. We're almost, okay? This is a DIY project. We almost right there. We're gonna get that adjusted, I promise you. This is beautiful though, man. Get it done. Sometimes you can learn, get something going, and this is freaking awesome. We're excited. We're gonna install the mailboxes as well, get those in, and basically beyond that, we are almost done. We gotta get a nice full clean out inside as well. Get this stuff pressure washed, man, and this duplex is gonna be done. Somebody's gonna be living good in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on each side. 4-bed, 4-bath in total. A little bit more than 2,000 square feet. This is beautiful. Let us get back to work. I gotta stop talking so much. Alrighty, y'all, so we just got through cleaning the left side of the duplex, if you're facing the property, and it feels so darn good, man. Like, everything is clean. You could eat here if you wanted to, put some bar stools. We even bought some candles. We got that Hawaiian breeze right here, baby. Here, y'all smell this. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. We got the bathrooms cleaned out. Let's jump in here. While I was actually cleaning one of the bathrooms, I noticed that the toilet was leaking underneath. So I called the plumbers, they came out, and something was actually broken on the bottom. So they have to fix that. They'll be back today. I cleaned out this tub, I cleaned out the shower, all the countertops, everything like that. We're not gonna film the other side getting clean, but what we will film is when the painters come, they can actually touch up all this paint like Paul told you before. This is gonna be great, man. Once they're in here, that's why I wanted to get like that rough clean done, so when they're in here painting, the last thing we're gonna do is actually wash the floors, basically, maybe some of the windows and everything like that, and we'll be out of here. So it's a great day. It's actually Saturday when we're doing this, so it's nice and gloomy outside and everything like that, man. It feels a little cold. I got on my, oh, sorry, I done hit my camera, man. I got on my jacket. Everything is cool, man. We're getting more progress. We're getting this thing done. One step closer to being done with this duplex, folks. So drop a comment, let me know what you've loved about this entire process. I can't wait to show y'all the full walkthrough video of everything when we're completely done, drone footage and everything like that. And basically, this is it, folks. Let us go get to work, and we'll see you when the painters get here. Alrighty, y'all, so we've gotten so much stuff done that I'm super excited about, man. Getting the fence in, cleaning the entire duplex, getting these windows frosted. I mean, just so much going on. Big shout out to New Vision Window Films for coming out from Cleveland, Tennessee, getting that done for us. But just so much happening, man. The painters came back, did all the touch-ups. We've gotten everything done to where we can literally get up out of here and get this final walkthrough video for y'all with the drone and everything that's coming in. So very excited for that video. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms for Nikos Property Show on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you haven't yet, check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab me some merch. And if you want to get into real estate, check out my new course, Nikos-School.teachable.com, and you can get into real estate investment and learn how to get into construction. But without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.